Hi, it's me, Denny Daniel of the Museum of Interesting Things. We're in the Prohibition Speakeasy doing our very first package opening, box opening of the night. So I've got all these packages here. I do this like a 42nd Street shell game where they would have 3 shells and a quarter and they'd mix them up and you'd have to guess which one had the quarter and you'd win something. The only difference here is I don't have 3 shells. There isn't a quarter under any of these packages and you win nothing. So ethically, it's exactly like a 42nd Street shell. But the similarity is this: I do mix up the packages. So this is me doing my absolutely terrible mixing. Are you confused?
Oh, totally.
Good, because otherwise I'd have to do that all day. There we go. Oh, you picked a really cool one. Go ahead. And hang on, let me get out the scissors first. So that way you guys have scissors. So grab a scissor and pass that along. Oh, you're good. I like it. There you go. There you go. My bad mixing. There you go. Excellent. So, do you all have scissors?
We do. Open our package.
Just whatever you do, don't cut each other, don't cut yourselves, don't cut the audience, don't cut my cat. But if you do, I've got Civil War surgical tools.
Hopefully leg warmers.
Oh my God, that's so cool. Because I have to reveal now, we're doing an 80s show. Everyone's been begging us to do an 80s show, and I know you're going to totally groove on that.
Nice.
So you opened up the California leg warmer. How cheesy is that? It's so perfect. You're going to have to wear them.
No, they're looking at now.
No, they definitely will, but that's... Oh, and what's your name?
Stacy.
Stacy, for the camera, I always. That way, years from now, when we do the 80s show, you'll be like, I opened that one. Oh my God, why do I find it easy to believe you opened up the show?
All right, we got
Folding top hat.
Crash in.
Crash and Jungle.
Oh, Crash in Jungle.
Speed
Color.
Racer.
Yeah,
You opened Speed Racer?
Indeed.
Holy moly, those are 2 episodes of Speed Racer, my very first copy. Oh my God, so this is, we'll say for the camera, I know what it is.
Ian Doyle Ferrets.
And Ian is amazing. He collects these amazing stereo stuff, which hopefully we'll have him do something over here. He just did something for the Stereo Society, but he'll hopefully bring a couple of 3D things. They're called, what is it, stereo, how do you say it? The things
It
that you
depends on
collect
what we're talking about. I
the
mostly
the
collect.
ones you got me.
Oh, those are Vista screens.
Vista screens, but he collects a lot of different stereo stuff, but the Vista screens are the ones that we added to the collection because of them. So that's very cool. And you opened up Speed Racer.
And my wife here, who's a professional film archivist, can
Oh,
evaluate
yeah,
the condition of
They
it.
look
coincidence
good.
on.
They look good. They look good for now,
This
yes.
is earth-shattering.
They look
Good from what you can see. I mean, the
From what I can
sprockets
see.
look intact.
They don't smell.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
no vinegar syndrome.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
important.
beautiful.
Oh, by the way, keep everything wet, the packaging, because there's a
Yes.
good curator. We want to
Yes.
make sure that the packaging is good.
Yes.
So,
Here we
what
go,
have
here.
you got?
Postcard in here, it says.
Oh,
How did it
so I
pass?
obviously bought a postcard from him, and it looks like a film.
Yes, and
Let
there's
me have the
film in
scissors
here,
real
yeah.
quick.
And
In
there's
fact, who got
film.
theirs open, so then are we
Yeah.
done? Yeah, we're ready. No, we're not ready. Here, I'm
No?
going to give you
I'll do
more.
that. Okay,
Yeah.
good, more time.
Because
Oh,
I also opened films. Hit by
and there's
car.
more.
hit by car. Interesting. Trim's project. Oh, this is a student film.
Oh.
And this has like all the scenes and all the cut. There's the raw footage and then there's the edit. So you get to see what didn't make the cut, pun intended, and what made the cut. But this is a student film on a guy that gets like randomly hit by. It's so cheesy. It's like boom, ow, you know, like it's really silly. Oh, well, what's your name?
My name is Melanie.
Melanie opened this one up, so when we show this film, you'll be like, I opened that one up. This is probably going to be part of my history of film show because it shows like the editing process. But that's a really cool one. It's the only one I have where they actually show the slates and everything. So it really is a very
That
cool
is
student
cool.
film, yeah. And let's see what you've opened over here.
This is a film of motorcycles.
Oh, wow, that's cool. So this is like stunts and stuff like that. This is really cool. Another 16 millimeter film for the collection. Motorcycle stunts and daredevil type stuff. So, you know, maybe we'll even show this one tonight because it kind of fits this theme.
Nice.
That's a really cool one. Remind me, I'll try to put that one on.
Tony,
That's-
yeah.
Oh, and your name?
Smokes.
Zan opened up that one, and she was here for the earlier portion of the night, which was the history of
Divided or UDZ?
And then you opened up.
Yeah, divided.
Oh, this
Okay.
is so cool. I am very into the whole Pony Express
It's
story.
not as old as it looks.
So I'm
but
getting
it's
anything I
definitely
can Pony
old.
Express. Now granted, nothing from the actual Pony Express you can get because that's hard to get. That's probably in Sotheby's. So I get every single silly little book and thing. So this came with stamps also.
Oh, yeah.
So this
No,
has these
not 1
original
minute.
stamps.
But even a second. is
and,
very
um,
cool. I
Didn't
photograph
I-
models.
Didn't know back in the day they had
That's
stamps
really
on it.
cool.
It
So I
depends.
actually have one of the
Even for
one
your
of the mail
longest
bags
portrait,
from
20
one of the
seconds
Pony
was about
Expresses.
the
There were many
maximum.
Pony
We're talking
Expresses, but the
very
main
rare.
one
Yes.
was from around
But in general, in a
1861,
studio setting, you
1862.
might
It
be
only
expected
lasted
to stay
a
still for
year
as long as
to
1
like a
second,
year and a half. It
which
didn't last
tries
very
to stay
long,
still
and it was
absolutely
where
still.
the
For
railroads
instance,
only
it's
made it
already
part of the way
there.
across the
And eyes were
country,
like-
and not all the way across the country. So some
Studios
guy was
typically
smart
had hot
and
lights.
hired a bunch of
They didn't have
sharpshooters
stroboscopic
to deliver the mail all the
So
way to
you-
California.
You know, for an
And it was
ambrotype
people
or
like,
something
Buffalo
of that
Bill.
sort, about
Yeah,
a
Wild Bill
second.
Cody
But
was
for
one of
a,
those
for
people,
something
so
meant
maybe
to
who
be
knows, you
printed
could,
on the paper like this, you'd be
a
looking at
Pony
a
Express
dry
rider.
plate negative, and
Hey,
that would
let's
be,
have your name.
you know, that would,
my name is
you wouldn't
Justin.
have to have
Justin,
any
and he was
special
also
holding
like
still
like I said,
skills
here
for
the
that.
earlier
Yeah.
part. And then
Yeah.
who's left?
We got this.
Get the film.
Okay. So you have a postcard.
Oh, this is a Suffragette postcard.
Yes.
Very cool.
I like the suffragettes.
That is perfect for Susie.
And then a film.
I'll take the box.
Yeah, you might.
Oh, the Coney Island Express. You see it written over there. So these are Suffragette girls going to Coney Island.
Yes. That's really cool.
That's really cool.
That is very
That's going to be
cool.
part of my Coney Island collection
And
for sure.
suffragettes.
I love that.
And what is this one?
This is like all the
I don't care about that. So let's go.
plastic film.
Cab Calloway. Oh my God, you got Bojangles.
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 Holy moly, you got Cab Calloway doing Bojangles.
Yes.
That is earth-shattering.
Yes.
So, Mr. Bojangles was supposedly written after this guy that was kind of a drifter, guy. But there was a performer, Bojangles,
Yeah.
that actually
I know
was
the
tap
story.
dancing, and he kind of brought tap dancing to the world. So
Wow.
this is Cab Calloway's Bojangles song, kind of an homage to that whole era. That's a really cool
Very
one.
cool.
And I already said her name, Susie. Something
Thank
about
you.
Susie.
Yeah.
That's really, you opened up such a
Wow.
fantastic
Suffragette
and
and-
maybe we'll even play that one today because we're
That would be
doing that
super
era.
cool. That'd be
We're
super
doing the
cool.
whole jazz era because
You're right.
Prohibition is what brought jazz,
You're right.
into its, craziness because now
Wow.
people can go to jazz
Let's
clubs.
do it.
So we're going to say bye to the world though.
Live. Yeah. Bye bye. That was great.